Azure Resource Manager is at the center of managing resources in Azure. It provides a management layer that enables you to create, update, and delete resources in your Azure account. Every time you send a request to manage resources in Azure, Azure Resource Manager handles that request. Whether you are using the portal, command line, Azure SDKs, or Azure REST APIs, your request goes through Azure Resource Manager. Azure organizes things this way so that you can be sure you'll always get consistent results regardless of which tool you use to create your resources. It also gives each tool the same power and capabilities. Suppose you are an IT engineer and you need to create a virtual machine. Azure Resource Manager authenticates your request and checks whether you are authorized to create the compute, storage, and networking components. If everything validates, Azure Resource Manager forwards your request to the Azure services where they create the actual resources. Azure Resource Manager provides resource groups that let you organize related resources. By allocating them to a resource group, you can more easily manage them, such as moving all related resources to a new subscription or deleting them with one action.
When you're ready to automate your Azure deployments, you can use infrastructure as code.
ARM templates, Bicep, and Terraform are infrastructure as code options. These tools enable you to reliably deploy your infrastructure to any environment, such as development, staging, or production. Azure Resource Manager also leverages existing Azure role-based access control for subscriptions, resource groups, and resources, so access rules are used, regardless of the client you're using. Azure Resource Manager works in the background to manage and organize resources in an Azure subscription. By understanding these fundamental concepts of Azure Resource Manager, you can efficiently deploy and manage your resources on Azure.